Problems in the algebra, right? Like maybe you know aware about it and you are not aware about it, but let's follow the some steps, okay? Like how to solve the algebra dependent word problem. So there are three very basic steps. First of all, you have to choose a variable, right? As per the given wordings, you have to choose, okay? And you are okay to choose anything, okay? Then write the equation in that variable format, okay? Like whatever you are choosing. For example, you are choosing x, y, a, b, c, d, anything. So in that format, we need one equation, okay? And then you have to solve the equation, and that's it, okay? So very easy steps, nothing is to worry. Let's have the first question, okay? I can show you this first question. Uh, okay. So this first question tells about what a group of 10 teachers and the 15 students paid 250 in the total to visit a theme park, okay? Please mute your mic. Vishan, please mute. Okay, so a group of 10 teachers and the 15 students paid 250. So here you can find 10 teachers are there, 15 students are there, okay? And in total they are paying 250, right? And after that, you know that each children ticket cost is the £8, okay? So what is the cost of each adult ticket in the pound? They are asking you what is the cost of this, okay? Fine. So first of all, see, how many teachers are there? 10 teachers, okay? So 10 teachers are there and 15 students are there, okay? And you know that like child, it means students only, okay? So nothing is to worry. This means each student's ticket you can replace student ticket, okay? There is no worry. So each student ticket is, you know that it is £8, okay? So we don't know the teacher's ticket. Let's say the teacher's ticket is, let's say X, okay? X be the cost of teacher's ticket, okay? Or you can say X is a, okay, this is the teacher's ticket, okay? I am writing. Okay, this is the cost of teacher's ticket, okay? Now what I have, I can add them basically. If I will add, I have to pay the 250, so that's clear. If you are aware about this multiplication, like 15 times 8, that is how much? If you know the times table of 15, then it's 120, okay? Then it will be equals to 250, and from here you can solve. As you know, you can subtract 120 from both the sides, right? Yeah, you have to apply the reverse operation, okay? So 120 plus is there, and see, I'm writing for the first time, okay? Because this is the first question. Now onwards, I will not write the basic steps, okay? Like these steps you have to do mentally, and these are going to be cancelled. So what you are left, I'm going to write directly this one, okay? From the next time. 250 minus 120, that is how much? That is 130, okay? So it's clear, x must be what? It must be 13, okay? Dividing by 10 both the sides, okay? Getting? Okay. Now raise your hand if you have any doubt. Moyuk? Okay, no doubts, no one? Okay, great. Kaushal, what is your doubt?
My
Isha?
doubt is,
Yes, Kaushal, continue.
I don't understand.
But tell me from where, like beginning or like first line, second line, or what?
I don't understand the third line of why did 10x plus 120 minus 120.
Okay, like there is what to not understand. This is the day two only. Like how you are solving the equation. 120 is there, and we don't want the 120. We want just value of x, right? So what
Yes.
to do? This is the plus 120. So you have to subtract minus 120 from both the sides. This is you have to apply the operation. Do the minus 120 both the sides. So if you do that, then it is equals to 10x equals to 130. And after that, you have to apply the operation that is divided by 13 both the sides.
Think.
I mean 10, okay? 10, 10, 10, not 13. Okay, yes, Isabel, what is your doubt?
Thank you.
Do you have to do it the algebraic way? Because
Uh,
I did it a different way.
yes, logical way is also fine. There is no problem. But this is the class
Okay.
of algebra, so I prepared, like I make equation and then I have solved, okay? Otherwise, I agree. Like you can directly do 250 minus 120 and there are 10 teachers. Like you are allowed to do any method,
Yeah.
okay? But this is
Okay.
the session of algebra. So